What's going on, guys? Jay here, back with another video. As you can see by the title, today we are reviewing the Rick Owens Dark Shadow Abstract sneaker. I recently just got into these kind of sneakers, so I don't really know much about it, but I'm still learning. Now, I have had these for about a few months already, and I've only worn them once, unfortunately. But from wearing these that first time, I would say that these are actually a pretty comfortable sneaker. One of the most interesting things about this sneaker is that when you put this sneaker on, it has this little arch right here, so it's like a little wave when it comes down. I was deciding if I should get the regular ones that don't have this big old extension on them, but these ones caught my eye a lot because I'm really into the chunky shoe, like big. I'll probably get the regular ones later on. I don't really know what else to say about this shoe except for a lot of people think of it as a Converse on crack, or they call it clown shoes, but honestly on feet I think they look pretty good. The kind of pants that I would go with these is like a cropped kind of pant, just to show most of the shoe, like going up as well. But yeah, I think that would look best with it. Another cool thing that I love about the Rick Owens is the zipper that it comes with. This helps a lot putting on the sneaker. Now, the sizing of this shoe, I did go true to size. I'm a size 10. I went a size 10 and they fit perfectly. So if you guys are trying to get these, I suggest that you go with your true to size. Another cool thing that the Ricks came with is the Dark Shadow tote bag. It's a really nice brown color. I don't know if I'll use this. I don't think I'll use it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. This is what it says. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Dark Shadow right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but yeah. If you guys do get these, I'm letting you know now that you will be like this much taller. They literally add like this much more height to you. It's pretty crazy. In the bottom of the shoe, you do have that Dark Shadow logoing on there. Yeah, look at this thing. It's like look at this. It's huge. Now, this shoe does come in like 3 different colors. You have that white coloring, and then the off-white kind of look, and off-white laces as well. And next to the zipper, it does have that little brown on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in between the zipper, has that brown kind of coloring to it. I'll give you guys a closer look of that. Moving on to the inside of the shoe, you have that Dark Shadow logoing with Rick on it. Little photograph of Rick on it. It's pretty cool. Here's the size tag and where they were made in Italy. I got them in a size 43, which is a size 10. It's a very simple shoe, but extremely exaggerated. Alright guys, to keep it short and simple, let's get to the on feet. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, I have on some H&M pants that I cropped myself. They were pretty long, but I cut like a few inches off to make them cropped. And yeah, I really like how they look. They have this distressed look with the knitting like hanging off of the shoe. And with it being cropped, you can see a lot more of the shoe. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. Do you guys like the sneakers? Do you think they're big ass clown shoes? Let me know down in the comments. Another thing before I leave, I do have some other sneakers coming in as well that I will be doing a review on, and it is the Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx. So make sure to hit that sub button, turn the noties on so that you guys know when I drop my next video. Until then, hope you guys have a great day. Peace.